Hey guys, Noel here. We're here with another video. I'm with Manny with a lot of money in his BMW. So my brother would be on the vlogs starting probably now on this video. So we'll go to fix something. What we're fixing today?
We're fixing the oil cooler.
Wow.
And the previous owner the oil cooler was all bent, so we're replacing that today with a CSF oil cooler.
Nice, sana all. Okay, let's go. We just went to Advanced Auto Parts, pick up some Moly. I mean the Liqui Moly.
The German oil.
The German oil.
Yeah.
So where are we going next?
We're going to a hardware store, and we're gonna get like some nuts to install like one of the studs, and it should be in the video like how to install it.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the oil cooler that we have. Since we're installing a stud over here, we're gonna get like 2 nuts and bolts, that 2-nut method install. And yeah, we'll show you that in a bit.
Okay, let's go buy that thing. We just got out from the hardware store. So what we got?
It's the just 2 now.
What? These nuts? So what we got?
So just these 2 nuts to install the studs for the oil cooler.
Oh, so that's the studs for the oil cooler. Give us a car check. What car do we have here?
It's a 2018 BMW M4 Competition model.
Nice.
Yeah.
All stock or?
Yeah, it's all stock with the M Performance exhaust. Came with the factory and carbon roof.
Dang, that's really nice. Okay, we're back at Manny's garage.
Yeah, we're replacing my oil cooler with the CSF oil cooler.
Okay, so why you're changing it?
Replacing it because of the old owner hit my oil cooler, so it was all bent and like the lip is all damaged and all that. So we're replacing that today.
You think it's gonna be easy install or what?
I think so.
Okay, let's get started.
First, we're gonna take off all of these 8mm bolts. There are like 20 of them. And then after that, we should be able to access the oil cooler.
Okay, so we don't have to take out the bumper?
Yeah. But look at this damage right here. You see how it's all bent up?
Oh, it went up right here. Okay.
And
sounds like you ran up a curb or something.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it went up.
I'm just glad that it didn't like start leaking.
Okay.
On the way, like when he was driving, but.
Did you zip tie this one or the
Yeah, I did zip tie that, yeah. Can you hold that for me? I'm just gonna start wiggling. Yep. And just gotta wait till that drain. I'm surprised the oil is not really hot like usual, like other cars. All right, so and again, there's another oil line over here on the next to the driver's side, and we'll do that. It's also gonna be 10mm nut. Then for this, the oil line, you just have to wiggle it. Careful, there's gonna be oil coming out. Just have to wiggle that till that O-ring comes out as well. All right, there you go. And we're just gonna have that drain a bit. And I'm gonna have to show you with this new oil cooler and with this fitting that goes fitting right here, you guys can use this plug to plug this back in. That way there's not gonna be oil coming out when you guys remove the oil cooler. And you guys go ahead can put the plug right here with this old oil cooler hole. Then the next step will be taking out the old oil cooler.
So Manny have
13 millimeter with 10-inch extension.
okay.
And it's just 2 bolts in this side and then 1 bolt in this side. Alright. And that's it.
Wow, I like your new oil cooler.
Yeah, look at that.
Dang, bro. The heck is that?
Yeah. Okay, let's compare this side by side. And as you can tell, the CSF is more thicker than the OEM one. That means it's gonna add more oil, which is gonna be regular oil change. I'll be adding more. And
it's not bent like
yeah,
this
it's
one.
not bent. Whew.
Damn, boy.
And you can see that there's like a skid plate thing, like a grill in the bottom. That way rocks won't hit it. So
oh yeah,
that's pretty good. Okay, while you guys are at it, it'll be nice if you get this air compressor, or you can even get this canister on the store. But while you guys are at it, just blow those out. A lot of dirt.
I think we're halfway done, so let's check what Manny's doing over here.
All right, so earlier we went to the hardware store with these 2 nuts. We're using these to mount the studs in there.
So they didn't come with it?
No, it didn't come with it, but we're improvising. But it's also a good idea to put thread lockers in there. That way it won't vibrate out and loosen it, and you're gonna be leaking oil. All right. Let's see, I'll show you guys this method right here. Since it's really hard to screw them on by itself, we're using this 2 nut
Oh,
method.
you're just trying to.
Yeah, to mount it.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we're gonna lock this both together, and this nut will act as like that way you'll screw it on tight. Or you can just do that as well.
So you're just using that nut we bought so you can mount it.
Yeah. Then this nut acts as like you'll tighten it, and this side will act like you can loosen it. Let's see. There you go. That way it'll be more easier. Just tighten them with these fully. There you go. And let's do the other side.
Looks like we're just putting on the new one.
Yep. Okay. Now we're tightening it to 15 foot-pounds with these mounts. Boom, boom, boom.
So now we have the oil cooler in the car. So we have 3 bolts over here, and we'll go ahead and replace the O-ring next before we can reconnect them back to the oil cooler. Talk about the O-ring earlier. So it looks like they're green, but they look black on the one that we're removing.
Here's the part number right here.
Okay, so take out your old O-ring.
Yep, make sure you do that before no leaks will happen along the road. Yep, I'm just letting you guys know that the CSF Oil Cooler will not include these, so it's better to go to your local BMW parts store.
Okay, so you're grabbing a little bit of oil.
Yep, to lubricate the new O-rings we have. That way it'll be more easier, or they won't rip when then we install these new ones. Boom.
Just have to reconnect the hoses right now.
Yep. Boom. And we'll put these nuts, which will torque this down to 70 inch-pounds. There. And the other side. There you go. We're setting it to 70 inch-pounds.
70?
Yeah, inch-pounds.
Okay, 70 inch-pounds.
There you go. You guys hear the click? Make sure you guys are not putting it to 70 foot-pounds, guys.
That was a quick install.
Yeah,
Like,
it looks way better than before.
now we'll just button up everything, and I think we should be good to go back on the road. The CSF kit came with this
Like spacers with
Yeah.
these plastic trim right here. Since this is more thicker, it needs to have more clearance to clear these. Yep. And same goes for the other side. There you go. All right.
Okay, so we're done with the installation. We just dropped the car from the air. So we'll go ahead and add oil to it. So what oil did you go with?
Oh,
It's this one, the Liqui Moly 5W40.
Yeah,
Okay, I think we're just only gonna top it off a little bit.
a little bit, yeah.
Bro. Fail. Okay, after 500 years later, we got the hood open. So where's the oil? Oh, that's the one. We don't have a dipstick, so we'll go ahead and check it inside.
Yep.
Okay, so we're at the minimum level. Looks like we just have to add
At least like
a quart? Or
no, not a quart.
Not a
so
quart.
this one is already a quart with this, so I'm guessing, let's say a half a quart first.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, then we'll check again. Adding more a little bit. Is that enough?
No, more than that.
Is that half a quart, you think?
Yeah. Just do it little by little.
Is it good? Oh, that's very good. Okay. I think we're done with the install.
Yep.
Okay guys, that ends our video. Hope you like it. So it was just a quick install for that oil cooler. It's quicker than I thought. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and like for more BMW content, possibly in the future.
Peace.
Hey guys, Noel here. We're here with blooper. Hey guys, Noel here.
Manny.
And